Title: The Symphony of Nature. In a world not too dissimilar from our own, where skyscrapers stretched towards the heavens and bustling cities thrived, there lived a young girl named Maya. While surrounded by the models of human achievement, Maya yearned to reconnect with the natural world, to witness its beauty and experience its wonders firsthand. One summer day, Maya embarked on a journey to explore the untouched corners of the earth. She ventured through dense forests, climbed towering mountains, and sailed across vast oceans. With each step she took, Maya discovered the true essence of nature. In the heart of the forest, she marveled at the ancient trees, their branches reaching upwards, as if whispering secrets to the sky. She listened to the melodic symphony of the birds, their songs blending harmoniously with the rustling leaves. Maya learned that nature had its own language, a symphony of interconnectedness that danced through the air. As she climbed the majestic mountains, Maya felt the strength and resilience of the earth beneath her feet. She stood in awe of the grandeur of the peaks, the valleys below stretching as far as the eye could see. She witnessed the dance of the clouds, swirling and twirling around the mountain tops, painting vibrant hues across the sky. Maya understood that nature was a masterpiece, a canvas where the elements converged to create breathtaking vistas. Upon sailing across the endless expanse of the ocean, Maya witnessed the raw power and boundless beauty of the water. She watched as waves crashed against the shore, their mighty roar a reminder of nature's strength. She marveled at the vibrant coral reefs, where an entire world thrived beneath the surface, an intricate tapestry of life. Maya realized that the ocean held within its depths mysteries waiting to be explored, a testament to the diversity and resilience of our planet. With every encounter, Maya's connection with nature deepened. She realized that the earth was not merely a collection of separate ecosystems but a living, breathing entity. She saw how every blade of grass, every creature, and every element played its part in the intricate web of life. Maya understood that we, as inhabitants of this planet, were custodians of nature, entrusted with the responsibility to protect and cherish its delicate balance. Inspired by her journey, Maya returned to the bustling city armed with a newfound appreciation for the natural world. She shared her experiences, captivating the hearts and minds of people through photographs, stories, and art. Maya's passion ignited a spark within others, awakening a collective desire to preserve the beauty and diversity of our planet. Through her work, Maya reminded humanity of the vital importance of living in harmony with nature. People began to reevaluate their relationship with the earth, adopting sustainable practices and working towards conservation efforts. As a result, green spaces flourished within the city, and initiatives to protect endangered species gained momentum. Maya's story spread far and wide, touching the hearts of individuals across the globe. Together, they embarked on a shared journey to preserve the Earth's treasures, realizing that our connection with nature is not just a privilege, but a responsibility. And so, the Symphony of Nature played on, its melodies carrying the hopes and dreams of humanity. With Maya as their guide, people continue to cherish the beauty of our planet, understanding that by protecting nature, they were ultimately protecting the very essence of life itself.